Everybody, welcome to a new video. I'm Saint Richard. Today we're going to talk about a power tool from Bosch, which is the GSB 500 RE. It's a power tool used to drill in screws or drill out nuts and bolts. Let's get started. So the components and the device comes in a Bosch plastic hard case, which is well protective for your hard tools. We have standard bits of 4 to 10, which can be used to screw out bolts or nuts, which are ranging from 4 to 10 mm. This is the adjusting socket. With this you also get a spirit leveler to adjust your surface of your, let's say if you're cutting wood, to get a perfect alignment. It could be vertical, horizontal or diagonal. So the trick of it is get the bubble in the center, you got a perfect level. Apart from this, you have an adjustable wrench, a combination plier, a standard hammer. Let's move to the top end of the box. Starting from the left side, you have a measuring tape, a cutting knife, and a bit holder. And at the bottom row, you have drill bits. The first four are the bits used to drill into wood. The second one is used for drilling into concrete or cement, and the third one is used for steel. And let's zoom in a bit here. With this, you have 4 sets of plus screwdrivers, also known as cross or plus or star screwdrivers, the flat or minus screwdrivers, and 2 bits of diagonal and hexagon bits. Get 3 packets of plugins and screws for concrete, wood and steel. Let's go back to the device. So here is the Bosch GSB 500, the king of power tools. It has an adjusting setting if you want to do a stole bit or a jackhammer bit based on what kind of surface you're trying to drill in. This component is to adjust if you want to screw in with clockwise or anti-clockwise. Trigger gun. And let me get in focus the power outage. So let me quickly show you how does this work. Let's see a drill bit. Take any of the drill bits from here. Push it in and turn it till it locks. Once it's locked, take in the level adjuster and tighten the bit. So once the bit is drilled in, you can just go to drill into any area. And if I change the setting to anti-clockwise, it'll turn the other end. And that's it for me. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you liked this particular product and would like to buy it, I'll certainly put in the link of Amazon, and as of now it's priced at 3,650 rupees. And if you're a new viewer, please do subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of our new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.